Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
I'm getting pretty sick of this happening. Anyway, welcome back guys. Today's video is going to be putting some new shock absorbers in the bonnet or the hood or whatever you want to call it. I've ordered some for the rear, the boot lid as well. They're not here yet, so I'm just going to put these ones in first and I'll finish the video up when I get those ones for the boot, hopefully in the next couple of days, and yeah, we'll see how it all works. So let's get them in. Alrighty, these are the new shocks. So hopefully they're a lot stronger than the old ones and can keep the bonnet up, or hood if that's what you call it. Actually, I just need my bit of wood. Until I've got these in, I'll need my bit of wood to hold it up. I have been in like this and I've had this hit me in the head before and it's really bad. So I just pop that in there like that. Now the screwdriver I've got is for in here. I'll just give you a closer look. Okay, so I'll just get a bit closer there. Now, I don't know if you can quite see in there, but basically what you want to do is get your screwdriver in like this, under here, and push this forward, or if you can, just pop it up. There we go. See now that it's going forward a little bit? Maybe it needs to go forward a little bit more. It should just pop off, yeah, like that. Nice and easy. And the same down here. So yeah, this is a pretty easy job. Get that like that. I'm doing it with one hand even, that's how easy it is. And that's the strut out. Simple. Alrighty, now let's get one of these new ones out. And pop it in. I'll just do the same on what's on the other side. It's got this part up and this part down, so I'll match that again. And then I'm just gonna pop. I've already popped these little spring bits off, so just pop that on there like that, and then just compress this a little bit. Alrighty, that feels a lot stiffer. Just make sure these bits are in the right place. Okay, that one's in. I'll just see how it goes now if I take away this piece of wood. Oh, it goes up by itself. It didn't do that, that's just with one in. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, let's do the other one. Alrighty, that's done. Well, that was a quick little job, and the bonnet should be working, or the hood, whatever you want to call it, like I keep saying, should be working much better now. So get that to there, pop that bit up, and it lifts itself. That's awesome. It's never done that since I've owned the car, so that's pretty cool. And it'll be a lot safer to work under too, because it's not going to hit me in the head, which is awesome. Alrighty, let's just pop it closed. I guess it's time to go and put the rear ones in. Okay, that's the new struts in. Let's see what happens when I push the button. It doesn't open all the way, unfortunately. I thought it might, but anyway, it's definitely opening a lot better. Let's just pop that up. Yeah, easy. Don't mind the messy boot. And end the video there, I guess. Yeah, if you like it, subscribe and see more. I'll keep doing little bits to the car. I got a few more videos coming up for different things and whatnot. And yeah, leave a comment if you like or whatever. This is another little easy job to do, so anyone can do it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Throw us a like, share it if you want. Anyway, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.